Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a ring continuous shaft with a ring iron support. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with a rectangle over there, so then we have to push it up, okay, until like this with any size, so then we can make the pattern of the continuous shaft. We can just using the line, and we can make this anyway we can make this pattern. Anyway, we can copy it to make the same size of it, and we can copy it and select it, and we can we can select this one, we can duplicate it, and we can select this and to duplicate it again to make the same size of this every single distance of the shelf. Anyway, okay, so then we can make the thickness of this. We can offset it inside around 20 millimeter approximately, so then we can close this pattern with this line, okay, just like this, and then we can push it to the front around 400 approximately millimeter. Then we can make a loop, and so then we can make the ring support. We use the rectangle and offset it inside just around 20 millimeter, and then we can set it around 20 millimeter also, and we can make it component create. So then we can just move it into the another position, and then we can make it unique, and then we can move it to the little bit to the bottom, and then we can move and press control, and we can make unique. So then we can move and on the upper position, then we can move and duplicate it on this position, and we can select this and move in to this position, okay, and then we can set the color and set the dark color of the ring support over there, just like this. Anyway, so then we can make the another support. We can use this and select move and press into the bottom and make unique. So then we can move it to the bottom position, okay, just like this, and then we can set the synthetic surface, and then we can just like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and okay, just wait for my next video. Okay, thank you.